Hi, my name is Nini, and today I'm gonna show you the day in the life of an international student studying at SLC right here in Canada, right here in Kingston. Let's go. Daily routine, let's go. Currently 11 p.m. right now, and I'm really tired. I had a very busy but very good day, and I'm really thankful for having days like that I enjoy every part of it. But before I go, I want to show you guys just one more thing. So I chose SLC because it made me feel secure about my decision to move away from home. I was really insecure about moving by myself to another country, speaking another language, living by myself. And SLC, since the day one, they really made me feel secure about my decision. They really made me feel safe, and I know that I can always count on them, and that's a really good thing for me. The international department, it's always sending me message to check in and see if everything's all right with me. All the professors, they are there for me every time I need them. They don't only teach what they have to do, but they really are passionate about what they are teaching, and they are passionate about helping us building our future. So I came to Canada to build my future, and I know that I can count on them for that, and I'm really thankful for that. I really feel safe inside the college every time I go to the campus, or even if I'm online, I really feel safe, and I really feel embraced about the whole staff, and SLC itself is just amazing. So I'm really thankful for that, and I'm really happy to be here in Canada. Thank you.